Flight cancellations are an inevitable headache for travelers, but with Navan, you can handle these disruptions efficiently and stress-free. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, navigating the aftermath of a cancelled flight can be overwhelming. Fortunately, Navan offers a streamlined solution that helps businesses and individuals tackle these challenges head-on. Stick around until the end, because I'll also tell you how you can access Navan completely free with our exclusive bonuses. When a flight gets cancelled, the first thing you need to do is understand your options. This is where Navan's automated tools come in handy. The software monitors flight statuses in real time, notifying you of any changes as soon as they happen. So, no more waiting at the gate for an update or scrambling to figure out what to do next. One of Navan's standout features is its integrated booking management system. Once you know your flight is cancelled, the platform helps you quickly find alternative flights that suit your needs. It scans available options across airlines, saving you time and effort. Instead of getting bogged down with calls or waiting for a customer service agent to respond, Navan allows you to book a new flight with just a few clicks, all within the same interface. But it doesn't stop there. Navan's travel assistant functionality makes rebooking as simple as possible. If you're stuck in a city you didn't plan to visit, the system can help you find nearby hotels, car rentals, and other transportation options. It consolidates everything in one place, so you're not jumping between different apps and websites. Another advantage of Navan is its expense management tools. If you need to make unexpected purchases due to a cancellation, like hotel stays or meals, Navan allows you to easily track and manage these costs. It integrates with company policies, so whether you're on a business trip or a personal getaway, you'll know exactly what's covered and what's not. If you're wondering about cost, there's good news. You can use Navan's flight cancellation handling features for free by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll not only get the software at no charge, but you'll also get exclusive bonuses to enhance your experience. If you're new to Navan, you may be wondering just how easy it is to use. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, offering an intuitive user interface that's easy to navigate. Whether you're rebooking your flight, finding accommodations, or tracking your expenses, everything is streamlined for a hassle-free experience. This is perfect for anyone who wants to take control of their travel plans without getting bogged down in complex systems. The beauty of Navan is that it's adaptable to any traveler. It doesn't matter if you're a solo adventurer, a business professional, or someone handling large groups. The system scales effortlessly, helping you manage any situation, including flight cancellations, efficiently. Before we wrap up, don't forget that if you want to handle flight cancellations in Navan yourself, you can get started for free by following the link in the description below. Not only do you get access to the platform, but you also unlock exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. That's right, exclusive access, no commitments, and all the tools you need to make your travel plans stress-free.